Hello, this is Jonathan George at F5 Networks. I'm joined today by Adil Lari, and both of us are going to share with you app visibility and analytics using F5 Beacon. In this three-part video series, we plan to cover three main use case areas. First, looking at giving you full visibility, transparency, and monitoring of your application portfolio. In addition to that, highlighting simple, powerful, easy to consume insights, and then finally, integrating across your ecosystem for actionable intelligence on your business. Now, let's start with the first use case, achieving full visibility, transparency, and monitoring of your application portfolio. We annually have a state of the application services report where we survey our customers. And this last year, we found out that the top three issues that they're dealing with is infrastructure lock-in, right? We're all seeing digital transformation opportunities, but when apps are deployed across multi-cloud, there are issues in trying to move apps from various clouds, and that causes infrastructure lock-in. In addition, there's complex compliance and policy requirements. Maybe there's an opportunity for compliance, but it's internal compliance and regulatory compliance, which causes extra issues. In addition, there's policy requirements. Those potentially prevent agility and collaboration. Finally, there's tool sprawl that is siloed. A lot of different tools don't necessarily talk to each other and they aren't integrated with each other. And this leads to complexity and higher cost. All of this, as you can see up top, really is three main issues that cause a lack of end-to-end visibility. So let's dig a little deeper here. Obviously, here's an example of various different solutions, point solutions that are deployed that individuals are using and gaining information back from, alerts, obviously. But a lot of these solutions aren't integrated together. That really provides lack of visibility, lack of insights, and really then hinders organizations that are trying to have strong insights as an outcome of their digital transformation plans. Now let's look at the application data plane continuum. From code to customer, from application to end user, there's a lot of different application delivery and application security solutions that various departments or teams might choose to have the best choice of services for applications. Though there can be multiple different vendor solutions that create sprawl across an organization. In addition, they create silos, which also creates complexity and increased costs. Now let's take a look at a real world example. Here's a situation where latency is happening somewhere along the code to customer continuum, along the application data plane. With various different solutions that you see here, there could be a latency issue, but who knows where it is? What's the root cause? How do you detect exactly where to fix that latency? That is really the guessing game. And if there is not full application visibility, then it's going to take a long time to repair latency. F5 Beacon is a simple SaaS service that leverages all the existing layer 4 to layer 7 services that you would see in an application data plane. Of course, it's showing here specific F5 services, whether it's platform control planes that F5 Beacon integrates to, or specific solutions, whether it be web app firewall, load balancer, denial of service solutions. Beacon integrates to each of those solutions, ingests application data, telemetry data, and provides app visibility and analytics and insights. Now, in this first video, we'll cover achieving full visibility, transparency, and monitoring of your application landscape.
Thank you, Jonathan. This is Adil Lari, PM for Beacon. Our next use case is end-to-end app modeling. We see a lot of our customers who are going through their digital transformation journey and cloudifying their workloads in order to be more nimble, agile, with the intent to realize business value as quickly as efficiently as possible, come across different sets of challenges, such as the complexity of these workloads, the level of accessibility, or the lack of control where customers have ceded some of the control to various vendors or providers, and all of that result in a lack of visibility. Adding to these challenges are the various organizational silos that do still exist or morph as part of these digital transformation initiatives. Beacon offers an app-centric view by virtue of modeling the various dependencies of applications in order to allow customers to better understand how the health of the applications is derived, point of failures, and overall giving them an end-to-end view over the health of those applications. This can be accomplished by leveraging Beacon's simple and intuitive UI or via our declarative APIs, which are recommended for customers with large inventory of applications. Also, we're able to do auto-discovery of application topology when leveraging our native integrations, for instance, with F5 BigIQ. Modeling an application is the first step to gain end-to-end visibility. Our next use case is user experience, health, and performance. No matter where customers are deploying their applications and the complexities that present, they are still accountable for the overall performance KPIs, such as uptime, latency, and without an end-to-end visibility, our customers are running blind. Beacon offers at a glance end-to-end visibility both around the health, such as availability, and performance, such as response time and throughput, to understand how applications are performing and if they are meeting their expected SLAs. Beacon allows users to drill down further into the performance characteristics of their applications to pinpoint issues and from there make informed decisions on next steps. Some of these next steps could be to drill down into existing monitoring solutions used by customers, such as Datadog, for instance. Leveraging the wealth of telemetry from F5 solutions, such as F5 BigIP, and including other third-party solutions, be it commercial or open source, Beacon can offer this visibility in a much more concise and less intrusive manner, while keeping things simple.
Now, in our second video coming up, we're going to highlight insights, how to gain simple, powerful, easy to consume insights. So, how do you gain access to Beacon? Well, step one, go to f5.com/beacon get started. There is an easy to use getting started guide for you to create an account and then create an app for visibility and analytics. Thank you on behalf of Adil and myself for taking the time today to learn about app visibility and analytics with F5 Beacon.